Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'm at Bristol Parkway where you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway and CrossCountry and possibly some freight. So yeah, let's get into the video. Arriving in now is the 12:50 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern from Brighton. It's a class 166 and it is 166215. Departing out now is the 12:50 Great Western Railway service from Brighton to Great Malvern. Arriving in now is the 12:55 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington.
This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones.
This one will be calling at Swindon, Reading and London Paddington.
Zones 3 to 9. Cycle spaces in zones.
It is
Wheelchair facilities in zones 1 and 9.
800-317. Departing out now is 800-315 on the 12:55 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London Paddington. Arriving in now is the 13:03 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. The front is 800-030 and the rear is 800-020. This one will be calling at Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Port Talbot Parkway, Neath and Swansea. Departing out now is the 13:03 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. Arriving in now is the delayed 13:16 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Froome. It's two 158s put together. The front is 158749. Is 158769. Departing out now is the delayed 1316 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Froome.
Bristol Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. This train has Newton Abbot.
Arriving in now is the delayed 1321 Great Western Railway service from Edinburgh to Plymouth.
First class accommodation is
This one will be calling at Bristol Parkway, Taunton, Tiverton Parkway, Exeter St David's, Newton Abbot, Totnes and Plymouth. It is formed of two Class 220s. The front is 220-009. And the rear is 220-031. Departing out now is the delayed 1321 cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverly to Plymouth. Passing through now is some freight. The number is 66080. Arriving in now is the 1344 cross-country service from Penzance to Newcastle.
May be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
The front is 220.025 and we will get the rear as it departs. Passing through now is some freight. Departing out now is the 1344 cross-country service from Penzance to Newcastle. The freight is 66,735. And the rear of the cross-country service is 221134. And the freight is stopping, probably for a signal. So we'll continue this clip when it starts moving again. Okay, so the freight is now moving again. And arriving behind it is the 1351 Great Western Railway service from Weymouth to Gloucester. We'll get the number of the Weymouth Gloucester service as it leaves. Departing out now is the 1351 Great Western Railway service from Weymouth to Gloucester. It is 158959. This will be calling at Yate, Dursley and Gloucester. Arriving in now is the 1356 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London, Paddington. It is 800-316. Departing out now is the 1356 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London, Paddington.
Swansea.
Arriving in now is the 1404 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. It is 80319. Departing out now is the 1404 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea.
May I have your attention, please? Customers are reminded to mind the
Arriving in now is the 1409 CrossCountry service from Plymouth to Birmingham New Street.
More information can be found at gwr.com/revenue protection.
It's a singular 220 and we'll get the number as it departs. Departing out now is the 1409 CrossCountry service from Plymouth to Birmingham New Street. It is 220,004. Arriving in now is the delayed 1416 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Great Malvern. It is 165128. And it is rammed because it's only 2 coaches. Well done, GWR. Departing out now is the delayed 1416 Great Western Railway service from Great Malvern to Weymouth. Arriving in now is the 1423 CrossCountry service from Edinburgh Waverly to Bristol Temple Meads, which is formed of a CrossCountry HST. The front is 43285. And we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 1423 cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverly to Bristol Temple Meads. Arriving in now is the 1444 cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverly. It is formed of another cross-country HST.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
The front is 43378. And we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 1444 cross-country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverly. Arriving in now is the 1451 Great Western Railway service from Swansea-London, Paddington. The front is 80032. And we will get the rear as it departs. Departing out now is the 1451 Great Western Railway service from Swansea to London, Paddington. The rear of it is 800,009. So yeah, that is going to be the end of this video here at Bristol Parkway. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. And leave a comment suggesting any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.